Now we look at what is a psychometric chart and how it is used and how it works in the HVAC systems or in any refrigeration cycle the use. So the first of we can see like what is a psychometric chart. The it's a graphical representation of physical and thermodynamics properties of the air. The psychometric chart is one of the chart that is commonly used in HVAC system problems. These properties of air such as wet bulb, dry bulb and humidity and some dew point humidity ratio such as a component that show in this chart. So it is used to determine how these properties vary as the amount of moisture in the air changes. So this chart is based on a standard atmospheric pressure of 76 mmHg or 1 point like amount 0113 bar. So now we look at the components or parts of this chart. So the first part of this chart is the like the dry bulb temperature. So what is the dry bulb temperature? It is the normal temperature of the air at room temperature, normal temperature, and it is measured by simply our thermometer. And on the chart, the scale mentioned on the x-axis for the dry bulb temperature, and the ranges which is shown, the ranges value which is show on the vertical lines that comes from x-axis towards the upward direction. So these vertical lines shows the amount or value of the dry bulb temperature in the air. So the second part of this chart is the wet bulb. The wet bulb is the temperature of the air which is measured by wrapping the wet cloth on thermometer. So in the wet bulb, the slant line which is shows in psychometric chart, they shows the value of wet bulb temperature. So after that, the third component is the humidity ratio. So the extreme right side of the chart, there is a scale on humidity ratio, and this humidity ratio comes from this y-axis, vertical y-axis, and which is goes towards the horizontally towards the wet bulb scale like this, and show this horizontal line shows the uh, amount or amount of a value of a humidity ratio in the air. So what is the humidity? It's actually dry air vapor which is measured in grains. Now the fourth part of this chart is known as relative humidity. The relative humidity in this chart we can see the slanted line which is actually saturated line which is measured in a percentage, like we look at here 20%, 40%, 60% and 80%. So this slanted line shows the values of relative humidity in the percentage, and the scale which is the measure on the saturated, the last is the saturated line which is 100% saturated or 100% relative humidity which is measured over here. Now the next part of this chart is dew point. So what is a dew point? A dew point is actually the like when air bubble is full of vapor or full of moisture, the after liquidify of the moisture, the dew point will be measured at that point. So it's the scale is on the saturated line according to the wet bulb temperature. And for find out the dew point, we need to know first the dry bulb temperature and humidity ratio. But the scale of the dew point which is not mentioned on this chart, or also the amount of dew point is also not mentioned on this chart. But how to find out? So let's see. We need to dry bulb and humidity ratio. When take it humidity ratio vertical lines of the dry bulb, and when I stop here, and the horizontal line which about 0.12, and this and come at this intersection point, and at this intersection point the draw a line towards the wet bulb temperature, and when this line intersect to the wet bulb scale, that's the whatever the value we find, that the value of actual DO value. Now the next part of this chart is the specific volume of air. Now what is the specific volume? It is a volume of air in per unit gram. So like 1 unit means 1 gram of air, and it is scaled from 0.80 gram to 0.95. So this is the actual lines which is shown on chart is like this one. The slanted line which is about 80-degree incline, 80 to 85-degree incline lines are shows the value of specific volume of the air. Now the last and the main part of this is chart is the enthalpy. The enthalpy, the what is the enthalpy? The enthalpy is present, like it's represent the heat which is present in the volume of specific volume of air. So the how to measure the enthalpy in the chart? So we can see the slanted line of the wet bulb temperature. The line for the enthalpy value is exactly parallel to the exactly parallel to the lines of the wet bulb. So just its scale is situated belong to the saturated line, beyond the saturated line, and we measure that at that point.